Welcome to this tutorial on how to make any button transparent in an Elementor WordPress website. In this guide you will learn a quick 5-minute method to achieve a transparent button effect, all by using the WordPress site editor. Let us begin by explaining the process step by step. To start your journey, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress homepage. Once you are on the WordPress site, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Click on the login button to continue. This simple action takes you into the secure login area of your site and sets the stage for the next step. After clicking the login option, you will be given the opportunity to use an alternative login method. Specifically, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. When you click on this, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the appropriate account that you wish to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. This method streamlines the login process by eliminating the need for separate username and password entries. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard, where you will find a section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, locate and click on the link that reads Edit Site. This action transports you to the site editor, where you have the full control over your website's design and styling. Now that you are in the site editor, the next step involves selecting the specific button you want to modify. Simply click on the button element that is visible on your page. Doing this will highlight the button and open up its editing settings so that you can customize its design properties. It is important that you correctly select the button to ensure that the changes you make are applied to the right element. After you have clicked on the button, the focus shifts to the styling options available in the editor. Navigate over to the Style tab. Here you will find a variety of design options tailored to the button's appearance, such as fonts, colors, and backgrounds. Choosing this tab allows you to access the detailed settings that control the visual presentation of your button. Within the Style tab, you will need to locate the background section. Clicking on the background option reveals the settings that are responsible for the button's color and transparency. This is the critical section where you will adjust the transparency settings to achieve a see-through effect. In the background section, you will be presented with several choices for colors and effects. Your task is to choose the option referred to as Accent 6. Selecting Accent 6 is the final step in making your button transparent. When you make this selection, the background settings update to apply a transparent effect to your button, giving it a modern and sleek appearance that complements your overall site design. This method provides a straightforward way to enhance the visual appeal of your website by modifying a single element with precision. By following these easy steps in sequence with care, you accomplish the task of creating a transparent button, which can help streamline your website's appearance and improve user interaction. Thank you for following along with this detailed tutorial. Working through each part of the process in order and understanding the rationale behind each action not only makes the design alteration effective, but also adds to your overall skill in using the Elementor WordPress site editor. Enjoy the transformation of your website's look as you put your newly transparent button into practice.